everyone, welcome to our show. I'm Hepzibah.
I'm Yola.
And today we're going to be making delicious pizza. First we put 1 spoon of sugar into the water. And then we get the yeast and pour it in as well. And also this part is very fun. Then we start mixing. Now I have my 2 sisters joining me. This is Viola. Hi. And this is Sovereign. They're going to be helping me with the rest.
Hi.
Now the ingredients are olive oil, flour and salt. Now we need to pour them all in. Sovereign, pour the salt in. And next the olive oil. And then the yeast.
That's like lava.
Ew. And then we mix it all up.
Let's have it. Looks disgusting.
Yeah.
He's disgusting.
It might look a little lumpy and disgusting, but that doesn't matter.
It smells disgusting. It's a bit sticky, that's why.
Continue mixing it until it's spongy like ours. And then, when it's spongy like, you pour it onto the table and roll it into a ball. So first we will take the spoons out. But before we do that, we need to sprinkle flour onto the table.
On the table, Silver. Can I have a turn, Hepzibah?
So it doesn't stick. And now we pour the mixture. This might be a little hard, so you might want to ask a grown-up to help you.
It's coming out.
A nice smooth ball.
We're gonna make paddy yam. I'm gonna make the paddy yam. It's lovely.
Ball, it needs to be in a big fat ball.
Big fat ball. It's a ball. It's a ball, boy.
It needs to be into a ball.
Like
a ball of sugar. Like a ball.
I bet you
I'm gonna cover your hands.
I win.
Banana boo. I make it a ball shape. And now we have some olive oil and the dough. We're going to pour the olive oil into the bowl so the dough doesn't stick, and we swish it around. And now we swish it around everywhere on the bottom floor of the bowl. So the dough doesn't stick. Now we put the dough inside. We put the dough inside so we can leave it for a couple of hours so the yeast can rise. And always remember to cover it. Now we leave it for a couple of hours. We have the pizza's toppings. We have pepper, bacon, beef, sausage, chicken, tomato. And we're going to cut the big chunks up. going to cut the pepper. And now we're going to cut the tomatoes. But first, we need to put all of this into a different bowl.
Oh! No. Oh.
And now we're going to chop the tomatoes.
Chop tomatoes. Oh my God.
Yummy tomato. Now we're going
What
to
about
cut the
the
sausage.
Where's the sausage? Let me cut this one.
Now we're going to cut
And the cabbage. Sausage. 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 This is it's top. Look at one too. And look at this. Wow.
Now we're going to pour the sausage onto this plate. Your sausage on the plate.
Put the sausage on the plate. Now 1, 2, 3, 4.
And now we left the dough for a few hours. We're going to take the dough out.
Yeah.
And we flatten it out. Yeah. Now we flatten it on the tray. And now we're going to put the toppings onto the pizza. First, we're going to put the tomato sauce. We're going to put all of the sausage. And now we're going to put the green pepper. And now we're going to put the tomato. Now the chicken.
And now the chicken.
Next we'll put the corn. Next, the cheese. Now we're going to put the pepperoni and make it like a flower.
Flour.
And that's the first pizza. And now we're going to make the second pizza. We're going to do the same thing, but just beef instead of sausage. And now we made the second pizza. And now we need to give this second pizza to the grown-ups so it can go in the oven. It looks and tastes delicious. Thank you everyone for watching our show. Bye. Au revoir. And don't forget to subscribe and give a big